Today we are on our day 6 of our streaming session of Mimo. So we're doing programming, and this is the day number 6 of our coding challenge. Okay, so let's see. I've been busy as fuck washing the cars, and I've been just busy. So, like, I still have a lot of shit to do. So let's see. We're gonna open this shit here. We're gonna airplane, and then we're gonna start our Mimo app. Dun, 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 alright, alright, ooh, ah. We might be having some technical difficulties or something. Oh my god. Okay, it's not doing it. So let's try something else. Give me 1 second. This thing, like, I think you have to put like an app first, and then you stream, and then you should like take it out of the app or something like that. Otherwise, I'm just gonna have to like turn it on and off. Me. What the fuck? Let me see. Oh. I wasn't doing it the other way around. Let me see if my earbuds are connected. What 2 devices? Oh, the laptop is connected, okay. And let's see. Come on, AirPlay. Hijo de puta madre. Fucking AirPlay. Let me reboot my iPad too. I don't know. I just don't know anything anymore. Like, why is it not streaming? Oh. I wonder if I can probably stream it with like my computer. But this is more fun because I can like hold it right here. Also, I'm gonna clean the lens. It's filthy. It's so filthy. I'm doing like all these challenges, and I haven't even had time to like do the actual like YouTube videos. It's crazy. Just fucking stream it. Don't be a fucking pussy. What the fuck, ninja? Why is it doing that to me? Okay, so we're gonna have to go the old style. Or old school. Okay, so now we're just gonna have to do it like this. So let's see. Oh, okay. Oh, so at least I can do it this way. So we're gonna turn our iPad the other way around. I guess we're gonna try. I think it's because it's low on charge. So whatever. Okay, so we're gonna have to do it like this. So within the Mimo app, we have to do 2 fucking modules, and right now we are on this one. So this is the next one. So we're doing styling text. So here's question number 1. And it goes like this. So, one of the most important parts of a website is the text. Okay? We can modify text in a lot of ways. Okay? From the size to the style or thickness. Okay? So we got the text right there. So Courier, new font, italic, bold, bold and italic, bigger text. Okay. So next. So let's see. Let's start by creating a rule to change the appearance of our paragraphs. Okay? So we're gonna look at the code, at the HTML code, and here we have that that's the HTML version, then the head, that's the information relay style sheet. So it's linking to the style sheet that is right here, style.css. And then body, so we're gonna change the word avatar. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna select pretty much that we are gonna modify our fucking paragraph. So the word avatar, so there we go. So that tells the system that we're changing the appearance of our paragraph, which is why it starts with P. So now we got this. It says, to change how big text is, we use the font size property. So here we're gonna use font size, and we have to spell it exactly like that. So it has to say font, and then hyphen, and then size. So font, hyphen, size. And notice that it's in between the curly braces. Okay, so now, I'm just tired, man. Let's see, what's next? So this, what's next? Go ahead. To change how big text is, we use the font size. Oh, no, wait, it is. We measure elements on a web page with pixels. Okay. To specify a size, we add a number. Set the font size or the property of the P element to 60 pixels. So pixels is the value. So notice that on this one, the number goes before. So it's the number, font size, the property. This is the value. And the value is right next to the actual pixel, to the thing that we're changing. So now this is what's next. It says, after the number, we follow with the shorthand for pixels. And px, so we're going to type px. So it's called a shorthand for pixels, so px. And this is what's next. It says set the property to set The type of the font for an element, so by adding the font family property. So we're gonna have to type in font family. So notice that when you're typing, it's literally font and family. So when you want to change the font family, you have to put the font and then hyphen family. So font hyphen family. Here, there are all kinds of possible values for font family. From Times New Roman to Helvetica, here let's use Courier New. Courier. So we're gonna put Courier New. So Courier New. Yay! To italicize the text of an element, we use the font style property and set the value to italic. So today I do not have a lot of energy. I'm like exhausted as fuck. Like I'm exhausted today. And I slept like a lot. To italicize the text of an element, we use font style property and set the value to italic. So font style, and then two dots, and then italic. Oh, so notice that it has to finish with a semicolon. Huh. Now, to bold the text of an element, we use the font weight property. And set the value to bold. So P, because we're editing the paragraph, then font size, 60 pixels, font family, Courier New. So we're supposed to use bold. So let's call it font weight. Font weight, and then the little puntitos, bold, and the diéresis. Cool. So how do we change the size of the text in a web page? With the font size property. Let's call it property. Don't forget. What is the shorthand for pixels? PX. Which property does Arial value belong to? So the property, it belongs to the font family. And what is the font weight property for? It sets the thickness for the text. Set the font weight property of H1 element to bold. So here, so this is gonna be bold. Like this is gonna be bold, this one. Everything's gonna be normal, this one's gonna be bold. So cool things sound survey. Font weight and bold. Set the font size of the P element. So, what's a P element? So this one that we are not alone. Font size of P element, the font size. So, font, no, size, and then font size, and then 12 pixels. Complete the code to set the font family property of the P element. Complete the code to set the font family. Complete the code to set the font family property of the P element. So font family, so we're doing font family. It's so easy to confuse with font style. And now set. Give me 1 second. Ugh. I'm fucking exhausted. Holy shit. Oh, like everything hurts. I want to do like so many things. I'm just like fucking exhausted now. Ugh, I woke up like 10 times to fucking. Oh, I don't want to go pee. I feel like I want to eat something else. What's the fucking remote? Remote. What the fuck are you doing? Oh god. I feel like I haven't had anything to eat. Like I want to eat more. Oh, I want yogurt. Oh, I really want that. But what the fuck is a control? I haven't even like picked Bayonetta. I'm so sad about that. What the fuck is a control? Where fucking is it? I left it in the bedroom just now. Oh, here it is. Meek, meek, meek. Meek, meek, meek. Alright. Alright. Okay, so this is what's next. Oh, okay, so set the font style property of the P elements to italic. I feel like I want some coffee. Fonts are to italic. So, oh, we have to type it. So let's see. So font and then hyphen, style, and then los puntitos, and then space, italic. Enter. There you go. Lesson 1 complete. That was easy. So we've been doing this for 2 days. We got one more, and we're almost done for today. If anyone wants a 14-day guest pass, let me know. One more module. Setting size and borders. Ooh. So when done right, websites give you the right information fast and easy, in a fast and easy way. Let's learn about one of the easiest ways to prioritize information, changing the size of the elements or adding borders. So what's HTML for this? To change the height of an element, we use the height property. So image. So we're using the height property to change the height of the image. So the height of the image is going to be changed. The image of Earth height. To change the width of an element, we change the width property. Image width 150. Image source, IMG also, I am also, okay. It's closing. Okay. We measure the height and width in an element, of an element in pixels, like 50px. Pixels are tiny points that make up what you see on the screen. So what's the height and width of an element in pixels? Like, so we're gonna do 50 pixels. So style flat. What's flat? So flat. So the image class flat. Source. Why is this? So this image particularly is flat. It's called flat. So we're changing the element flat. We're changing the height of the flat element for 50 pixels. So it's exactly half. That means that one is 100 by 100. Okay, so let's see. We can change the height and width of any element on a web page. Okay. Set the width of the second paragraph to 150. So what's the second paragraph? So P1, class medium. P1, class medium, Petersburg. So we're doing this one. The class small, the one that says Hollywood, it's going to say Hollywood 1500. So bigger. So is the text going to be closer together? So medium is going to be to the width 300. So there's going to be a space in between them. So let's see, there's 150 pixels. Okay. I want to see this real quick. So the red. Oh. So it added the style, so width, background color. Oh, I should have seen that. So in this one we changed the background color. So the background color of the font. And then it's specifying the background color. Medium. P class medium. Class small. Oh, so background color red with, so it's changing the background color, the width, so here's the same thing, so it's making it small, it's making it 150 pixels, and the other one is 300 pixels, okay, so it's gonna be half, okay, I get it, that makes sense. What is the unit of measurement for the size of elements, so pixels? What stands for 50 pixels? 50 pixels. Which property changes the height of an element? The height property. Property. What happens when we set the height to 100 pixels in this room? So H1, background color teal. So the background, the teal color of the, there's gonna be, okay. The background of the New Yorker text is gonna be color teal and it's gonna have a height of 100 pixels. Which one element have their height? Cool. Make this rule double the width with the other. Make this rule double the width of the other by typing width. Single, double. Single for a single shot, double 14 for a double shot. It's taken out by caffeine. Easy coffee guide. Oh, that's funny. So the double. Okay, what? Make this rule double the width of the other by typing width. Rosy brown, that's a weird color. Brown and rosy brown. So double is gonna be width. So the width of this is gonna be 200 pixels and the width of this is gonna be 125. That's not, oh yeah, it is double. Set the height property for elements of the main photo class to 200 pixels. Oh. Set the height property. I feel like I haven't watched South Park in forever. Let's see. Set the height property of for elements of the main photo class to 200 pixels. Set the height. Photo. So H1 to destination. Head, body, destination, and photo. H2, destination, another photo. Main photo, the main photo is the top one. So do we set the height of the property for elements of main fill close to 200? Height. So height 200. Boom. Cool. I just did it. Set the height property for elements of the square. So we're gonna make a square out of the background color of the word square. Watch. Boom. It's cool that it adjusts the text to fit the properties. That's cool. Set the width property for up elements to 250 by typing width 250. Okay, set the width property for up elements to 250 by typing width 250 px. Okay, great. So, doc type HTML head. Instapic, and then welcome to Instapic, where you can shoot all of your photos in an Instapic. So H3, and then underneath. So then paragraph. So we're changing this one, the text here. So the background color. So what are we doing with the background color? So set the width property for OP elements to 250 by typing width. Width. Uh, 250 px. And this one. Yay, we're done. Oh god, I didn't think I was gonna fucking do this. Was that one module or was that two? There was two little modules. Have that one. Maybe I'm gonna learn it. Oh, this is the borders. Oh my god. Okay, just do it. Elements on a web page can have borders around them to see how it looks at the border property. So, okay. So, border. Let me see I want to see the Class P coupons with the text. The first one, coupon code. So coupon is the text. Let's say coupon. Oh, I see. I got it right. It's coupons, border. It better not make it like wrong because I just did it. To make the border appear with a value to solid. Border value solid. That's cool. Oh, let me get my water. Oh my god. I totally just went like way over with the workout. Like, I'm fucking sore. My pussy is all sore and tired and shit. My JJ is all tired. I'm gonna ask him this. Something's. No, I haven't had a lot to eat today. Let's see. We can set the width of a border, but I only number in pixels right after solid. Oh, turn on so border, this thing, solid 10 pixels. It's cool. My bad. So the color is at red. I'll get the value of border. When it's border red, behind the color is red. So the caution one, this one will modify the H1. Caution, caution, border. Border radius is a property that rounds the corners of an element. If we set the radius to 10px, the border curves 10px before the corner. Oh. Oh. Border radius 10px. It's cool. So, career enthusiasm is an award-winning show. Okay, okay. I just did that. So we're doing border, radius 10 pixels. Now we're doing the next one. So border radius works on all elements, even images. It is an easy way to make images look great on a web page. To round the corners of all images using border radius, type 100px. So here, really bitch. So we are doing which image? Oh, ¿qué pasa?
No, pues no sabía dónde estabas. Apáganos.
To round the corners of all images, border radius type 100 pixels. Image, border radius. Which image? Both? It's gonna do both. Because both are IMG elements. So we're gonna do it for both. So border radius is 100px. Yeah. Cool. Again. Oh my god, we have so much more. To make an image a circle with the border radius to have the width of an image. It only works if the image is a square though. So if the image is 100 by 100, so the lighthouse image, the .png, border radius, so height, width, half, so 50px. That's cool. That makes sense. What's a border in CSS elements? Background, a line of a certain thickness and color around an element. I wonder if we can add a border to like a fucking image to make the border appear which file is necessary. Solid. How do we round the corners of an element with border radius? By adding a color value to the border radius property. How do we set the color of the border? Adding color value to the border radius. How to add color to value to border property? So that one. Add a border to the H3 rule. So it's H3 rule, H3 rule. Item is out of stock until December 13. Oh, only to December. So add a border to H3. So border, solid red border around the date. Yeah. Make a visible border around all image elements. So the image elements are the frame shop image. So this one, there's just one image element. What the fuck is it talking about? So just one is gonna make it just, what does it say? Oh, it says like it has like 1,000 pictures. So solid. Around the edges of all image elements. There's one image element. So now image element around all edges. So border hyphen radius 100 pixels. And the image elements, how big are they? It doesn't say. There must be 200 in them. Add a border to all paragraphs by typing border solid 50 px. So paragraph, just one paragraph. P class more artist paragraphs. Call it rule apparently. Let's call it rule. So the rule P is having a border. So border two dots space solid and then 50 pixels. Px. It's a fat ass fucking border. Using the image selector, set the height and width to 100 pixels. Then set a visible 2 pixel thick border around them. There's 2 images. I haven't touched anything. Using the image selector, set the height and width to 100 pixels. Then set a visible 2 border around them. So the width to 100 and 2 pixel. Where's the shit? This thing is fucking up. I hope it fails, that way I can ask for a refund. I wasn't done yet. Oh, fuck no. I just did this. Okay, I'm gonna do this really fast because I already did it, okay? So let's see, elements and which can borders around them, see how it works. So border, right border. So we're gonna type border. Okay, so border. Done. So to make border appear, we set the value to solid. So here, solid, solid. Okay. Like I literally just did this. We have the width of a border by adding the number of pixels right after solid. So border radius prepared from the corner of the element, we set the radius to borders worse than elements, image images, okay, so border radius of the image, we're doing 100 pixels. Pixels. Done. Okay, next. Make an image border radius, border radius, so border radius. Element background, border CSS, element. To appear which one is it to make a border appear solid. Hover in the corners of an element, we with the border radius.
How to see the color of a border by border radius by the border property. As a border, add a border to the extruder's border radius equals solid red. Oh yeah, my bad. Make a visible border around non-image elements, image border, order solid. Around the edge of all IMG elements, around the edges for all IMG elements, around the edges, so it's going to be border radius. Border radius, 100 pixels. You better not fuck up again, this pissed me off. So add a border to all paragraphs. It is charging. Add a border to all paragraphs by typing border solid. So border solid 50 pixels. It got stuck here. Oh. I have to type in everything? Using the IMG selector. Oh, shit, oh my god, I didn't fuck up. I fucked up. Okay, let's see. This is going to be interesting. So, using the IMG selector, set the image. And what? So what? Yeah. To IMG. Both? IMG. Curly brace. And then height. 100 pixels. Width. Fuck. Oh. Oh, I see. Height. Width. 100 pixels. Set the border around them. What the fuck do I set the border? Oh shit, you got it. Yay! So, border. Was it just border? Yeah, border. No. Border. Solid 2px. There you go. think so. Yeah, it's good. I got it right. Yeah. Okay, that was good. Oh, okay, cool. We're done. That was interesting. Oh, fuck. Well, that was interesting, wasn't it? I'm so exhausted. The whole day was crazy. But I slept a lot. I think all the exercise is making me really tired, but it's also starting to give me a lot more energy. So, this is it for today. Thank you for stopping by.